How many asset groups can I have in a Performance Max campaign? First of all, I've lied to you in the past because I've told you in a video that it was unlimited. And I actually thought that that was the case. I feel like I was told that by a Google rep at some point. But shout out to Shivam on our team who found this article that says asset groups cannot be shared between campaigns. Makes sense. Each campaign requires at least one asset group. Makes sense. There is a maximum of 100 asset groups per campaign. Ew. Changes things. This actually makes a difference, I think, for big e-commerce clients more than anybody else. And it makes a big difference for big e-com clients because I thought, and I was surprised by the fact that there was a limitless number of asset groups. And if that were the case, then we were just going to go off the rails in testing asset groups against audiences. But the 100 asset group limitation isn't a huge limitation for like 99% of all businesses. But for a big e-commerce client with a ton of SKUs, you now actually have to be pretty strategic about what you're doing inside of that campaign. Which I think it was an important correction to make. So I'm sorry for the misinformation. And now we know 100 asset groups per Performance Max campaign, and we need to be careful about separating Performance Max campaigns because it has the same problem with cross-pollination that Smart Shopping used to have. Because the campaign that gets the click is the campaign that gets the remarketing. So if you think about it, let's say you sell shoes and socks, and you were to separate those into two separate campaigns. Somebody clicks on shoes, but then traverses throughout your website and is actually interested in socks. The question is, if you have two separate campaigns, if the campaign that got the click gets remarketing and they're interested in the socks, are they going to be remarketed socks? And the answer at this point, and we'll let you know if this changes or if our understanding changes, but with Smart Shopping specifically, the answer was no, definitely not. And with Performance Max, it looks like that is also the case. So cross-pollination is a problem. I'm not telling you not to build separate Performance Max campaigns because there are a ton of use cases where you should, and we've gone over those in previous trainings. I'm just saying be careful. And that plays into the topic of this video, which is the number of asset groups that you have. If it was limitless, then you could just test till you're blue in the face. Now you have to be a little bit more discerning if you're in a position where creating that many asset groups is important to you. And we've gotten there, by the way. I think we've gotten to I don't know what the number is. I know well over 50. Clearly we haven't hit 100, or we would have figured out that the 100 was the limit. So anyway, hope this is helpful. I shoot a video every day. I'll see you tomorrow.
Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.